Installation of the NAGS CD needs to be done on your server or main computer if you have multiple computers. Also, before the installation, you need to make sure to exit your Glas-Avenue software. You'll need to do this on all of your computers. So exit out of the program. After you've exited out of the program on the main computer, insert the NAGS disk into the CD-ROM drive. After several seconds, an installation screen will pop up. When the installation screen pops up, if you get a message about your user account control, just choose yes. Some systems will ask you if you want to run the executable file or you want to cancel it. You want to go ahead, of course, and run it. And then you'll get an install shield wizard like this. Once you get to the first screen here, you're just going to choose next. The files will be downloaded to your system. Once the files have been downloaded to your system, the installation window will go away and then the program will open up. You'll notice up at the top that it'll tell you to please wait, that it's updating the database. Once the installation begins, it'll take several minutes for the installation to complete. There'll be points where during the installation it will seem like nothing is actually happening, but you have to be patient and understand that it is doing something, even though you may not see a status bar like we see here. If you have any parts in your part file that are linked to NAGS glass parts, you'll be prompted to as to whether or not you want to update those glass link parts with the NAGS list prices. In most instances, you would want to, of course, say yes, so that all of those parts in your part file have the updated NAGS list prices on them. After the installation is complete, the program will close. And then you simply need to click Finish. Once the installation is complete, you'll want to go back into your Main Street program. Once back in the program, go to Help and choose About. And where it shows the Autoglass data version, that date should match the date on the installation instruction sheet that came with the disk. If that date does not match, then there's been a problem with the installation. You can try running the disk again, and when you do run the disk again, it will give you an option to modify, repair, or remove. Choose the Remove option, and then go ahead and run the disk a second time. If after that point you still don't have the correct date, you need to call Main Street Technical Support. However, even if the date does match, we still want to verify that the pricing is correct. So choose OK here. On the instruction sheet that came with the NAGS disk, it'll give you a part to check. You'll want to go ahead and go into the Items section, type in that part number. It will bring up the list price of that part, and that will be the current NAGS list price. Then you'll need to change the date in your Main Street software to match the effective date of the NAGS installation, and then check the price. So you'll go up to the price icon up at the top, click on it, and then you can see in the effective date field that's already highlighted, you'll want to put in that effective date. Again, that's the date on the top of the installation sheet. And then hit enter. And you can see the list price changed from $198.20 to $197.35. So this is the list price as of 1/14/2013. And that should be the price listed on the installation instruction sheet. So if this price doesn't change or doesn't match what is on the installation instruction sheet, again, you should call technical support for assistance. If everything matches up, your NAGS has been installed properly, and you can open up the program on the rest of the computers. Just want to reiterate that you want to install this disk as soon as you get it, even before the date that the pricing takes effect. The pricing will not change in the program until that effective date. Also, you'll only install the disk on the main computer or server if you have multiple computers. If you have any difficulties with the installation, please contact technical support for assistance. If you did not receive your disk, you can download the NAGS from the Main Street website. In order to do that, you would go to Help and choose the Connect to Main Street website option. Once on the Main Street website, you'll want to go to the Download section. And once you click on the Downloads, you'll want to go to the NAGS Update section and choose the appropriate NAGS update and run that update onto your system and follow the same instructions as you would with the disk once the download is complete. It will run the installation program. After the installation program is complete, you'll need to check the date of the NAGS as well as the test part. If you have any problems, just contact technical support.